This video introduces web-focused support for template masters and slide layouts in documents created in App Studio with a PPTX output format. You can quickly and easily apply the styling you want to any PowerPoint presentation generated from a document in App Studio. In PowerPoint, a slide master defines the styling of your presentation, as well as how it is applied to different slide layouts. The slide master is present in both PowerPoint presentations and PowerPoint templates. To view the slide master in PowerPoint, click the View tab and then click Slide Master. You can modify how the theme you are using is applied to the slides in the presentation by modifying the slide master. To make the theme available, save the presentation or template to an application folder. The default application directory is shown on screen now. Create a new document using the PowerPoint PPTX output format and set any other settings needed. In the document canvas, open the Properties panel and show the properties for the document. For the template name, click the ellipses and select the template or presentation that includes the slide master that you want to use. Set the slide number to the page of the PowerPoint presentation that you want your contents to start on, and select the slide master and slide layout that you want to use. You must specify both a slide master and a slide layout. Finally, add content to your document, making sure to position it on the page where you want it to appear in your PowerPoint presentation. When you run the document, it uses the specified styling and slide layout. As you can see, you can quickly and easily apply the styling you want to any PowerPoint presentation generated from a document in App Studio. To learn more, visit the WebFocus 8205 knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.